can see you guys there. So welcome back. I really fooled you guys. This is actually not the video that you clicked on because this is actually it's like you put the makeup routine in a bag and then you pick out the things and it's in a random order and it's super silly. Continue watching if you want to see what happens because I know I didn't explain it that well and now you just want to see it. So that's how you get clickbait, or this is how you get views. I'm sorry because this isn't the video you clicked on, but it's okay, just go and watch the video.
Peekaboo!
I have all the steps. I look so so I have all my steps in this bag and I will pick out of them and see what
Follow me on Instagram.
This is his Instagram name. Concealer. Okay, that's pretty good. I will be applying this to my face. Right, this now.
There's a tornado coming, so if you
there is a tornado on the move.
On
It is approaching us fastly. But if you see this video, we made it. We made it out alive. Wow. I feel so insecure doing my makeup on screen. Because, like, what if I'm doing it all wrong? And I get hate. Ouch.
She got terribly sunburned.
Yeah, I got a terrible sunburn.
Then make that.
What's gonna happen next?
You know, Abby,
I'm getting the goosebumps.
I get those goosebumps every time.
This is the next step. Behold, it is in my palm. It says primer. Those are actually in the reverse order, but I mean that's what this is all about, right? Okay, so today I didn't want to use the MAC stuff. I wasn't paying attention. I put so much on. Yep, this is a really nice, clean version. Yeah, turn it down. Is your AP going psycho? Oh, time for the next step. Oh, drowning. Okay. Eyeshadow. Well, I am not a real big eyeshadow girl, so I guess I'm just going to... I'm going to be using this blending brush. I don't really care about what it's called. It's about what it does that matters.
I like this one.
Is this One Direction? Oh no.
What the heck are you talking about?
Alright, so that's pretty much all I do for that. Whoa. Let's see what the next step is. Shall we? Okay. Is this the clean version? Highlighter is the next step in my bucket. Okay, so I'm going to be using this one. I'm not going to show it to you because I'm not sponsored by it. Well, the lighting sucks, so you can't really see. I'm sorry, but it's good enough for me. I can see. And by the way, this is not my daily routine. This certainly is just random stuff that I just thought, oh, this is a makeup routine. Let's just put them into a bag and make it fancy. I just got the chills. Lips. That's a satisfying noise. Disney Channel! Comment if you love Andi Mack, because I do. Sending rays of love. Alright, next up.
For what?
Yeah, I'm not just gonna do my eyebrows. Okay, next step. We're down to powder. This video sucks. It's all in the same order.
It is, Allie, so just shut
Oh wait, actually it's a little wonky because I put highlighter and now I'm putting powder on. Whoa! Yeah, I put too much of this on. Pick out the next bottle. Wait, what? This is really suffering. Look at it. Please send me money to buy the new one. My P.O. box is non-existent. I'm not even looking anywhere. I honestly don't even really care. Oh, that's too much. Can you see it? Okay, I think this is the last one. No, it's not, but I know what the last one is. Bronzer, and then the next one's mascara. I already have mascara. Oh no, I don't even use bronzer, so.
You know, what happens when you try?
And that's all I have for you guys, and I'll see you next time.